Ever been in a slump? Ever been like frustrated because you're just like not doing the thing and then you're feeling kind of meh? Yeah, me too. Here are 5 tips on how I get out of that. One.
Acknowledge that it's up to you to change your mood and it's not anyone else's responsibility.
Step 2, wear an outfit that you're comfortable in. Do your makeup, whatever makes you feel good about you. It doesn't have to be something fancy, but just something that makes you comfortable, but also confident. So if you're wearing your PJs and you're just not feeling it and you're in that slump, go change. Put on the outfit. For me, it's these sport jackets. They're my favorite. A little lipstick and some sunglasses. Step 3, rip off the Band-Aid. Do that thing that's been on your mind that you keep thinking about, but you don't do. We all have it. Probably a couple too many. Just do one of them. It will get you out of your funk. So for me, 15 minutes, I'm gonna organize and put away all this paperwork. I've been staring at it, but it's gotta go. Do the one thing. It's been on your mind. Rip off the Band-Aid. Just do it. Number 4 might be a bit of a hot take. I am not into morning routines. In fact, I think they help aid in a sluggish day. They're not for me. If you want to get more done, plan the night before. Now, I usually do this from the couch with some pens, but when I'm having a day like today where it's just and I need to get my life together, I like to shut the office door, sit at my desk, break out all the fun stuff. I don't always take time to use all these stickers and make it pretty, but when I'm in a little bit of a mood, I want to make it look beautiful. I want to take some time. And I want to really ensure that my day tomorrow is intentional and I can start off the day with a game plan. And I don't have to wake up and think about what to do. It's already laid out for me. And personally, I love the Daily Grind Planner because it's making sure that my to-do list aligns with my goals. Now, let's be real. There's often times, like yesterday, where a lot of things on my to-do list had nothing to do with what I wanted to accomplish, and they still had to get done. But when you use the Daily Grind Planner, your goals are top of mind. So I was well aware that this beyond long to-do list yesterday wasn't getting me closer to achieving my goals. So I'm going to make sure not to fall that far off the path tomorrow and have some needle movers for my own personal goals in my game plan, as I call it here. These highlighters make it extra fun too. And bonus tip, I didn't spend a lot of money, but I got all these fun pens and it just helps it make it look more beautiful. But here's the thing. If you're anything like me, do not get caught up in the aesthetics. That's not the point of this. It makes it a little more fun. But the whole point of your planner and to plan out your life, whether you use this one or another one, is to actually get things done. So if all the color and all the fun is a distraction, get rid of it. Use the tools that's going to help you have your ideal day. So my day's tomorrow starts with a little fitness at the YMCA. And the 5th thing you should do if you had a day where you're like, do something for you. Not for the kids, not for the husband, not for your job. Like, do something where you can get your mind off of it. Whether it's watching a movie on Hallmark, reading a really good book, and then get some rest. Start tomorrow over. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to watch me a Hallmark movie, get some sleep, and tomorrow's a new day.